At the end of this video, you should have a clearer path of how to actually complete your 1,000 subscriber count and then your 4,000 watch hour. Now, as a YouTuber, I understand one of the difficulty that you people have is not about creating videos, but about having more subscribers and then completing your 4,000 watch hours. All this, I'm going to be showing you how to go about it in this video. For easy understanding, I'm going to be dividing this video into two sections. Now, the first section is 5 ways of completing your 4,000 watch hours. And the second phase is 5 ways of completing your 1,000 subscribers count. Okay. Now, I'm going to be using the YouTube Studio app in teaching you this. All right. Now, in the first phase, which is the 5 ways of completing your 4,000 watch hours, the first thing we're going to be looking at is video tracking. Yes. Now, many of you don't understand that video tracking is one of the easiest way of completing your 4,000 watch hour. Now, let's open our YouTube Studio app. Either you're using the desktop version or you're using the mobile version. This is actually very easy to understand. Now, when you open your YouTube Studio app, at your bottom, you're going to see contents. And if you're using desktop version, by your left, you're going to see content. So click on content and let's switch to video. So click on that type and then choose video. Okay. Now, then go ahead and click on apply. Now, go ahead and choose any video of your choice when it comes to this area. For example, let's choose this video. Now, this video has given us 4,500 views. Okay, that is what this video has given us. But let's take the actual let's look at the actual reach of this video. So now, when you at your top click on that reach. Okay, now when you click on the reach, you get to see the number of reach or the number of people this video have actually gotten to. So let's click on reach. Now, this video have impression of 70,000. Okay, meaning this video was shown to over 70,000 people. All right. Now, when we come back to the overview and you go to watch time hour, you can see this video has given us over almost 190 watch time hour. Okay, now if this video or if only this video could give us this number of watch time, that means let's go to our calculator and check something. Now, in your calculator, let's look at 189 watch time times, let's look at 40 videos, for example, and then now if we are to look at 40 videos, that means this, if we can have 40 videos of this, is going to give us over 7,000 watch hour. Now let's reduce it and then we're going to be looking at maybe 30 video, for example. So 189 times don't worry, we are going somewhere, times 30 is going to give us over 5,000. That means of this video can actually give you what you are looking for on your channel. So if you've been struggling with watch time hour, it means what you need to do is posting of more video. Okay, now you can see the way I track my video to know how many video can actually give me this watch hour I'm looking for. But number 2 is the trending topic. Are you aware that YouTube is actually helping you to actually know what is trending around your niche, but you are not taking the advantage? Now, you not taking that advantage will actually also hinder you from completing your 4,000 watch hour on time. Now, let me show you how to actually also use the trending topic in completing your 4,000 watch hour. For example, let's go back to our YouTube Studio app. Okay, desktop version or still mobile version. All right. So now when you come to the YouTube Studio app, at your bottom, look at that place you see me pointing at your bottom, you're going to see analytics. Okay, if you're using the desktop version, you're going to see analytics beside at your left hand side. So when you click on it, the next thing you're going to do is click on trends. Okay, look at trends. So click on it. Now look at top searches. So we are going to be taking the advantage of what people are searching for. Okay, now look at what is actually trending around my niche. For example, look how to earn on YouTube and the rest. So now when you click on that place, it's going to actually bring all the trending topic around your niche. For example, how to delete Facebook account is trending around my niche. How to upload videos on YouTube is trending around my niche. How to earn money from YouTube is trending around my niche. Facebook Reels, Facebook monetization, and just check all of them. Look at all this now. YouTube is now telling you that all this is what you can do to have viral videos on your page. Which means if we want to have more views on our videos, what we actually need to do is jumping on trending niches or trending topics that can actually help us have more viral video. And our number 3 is going live. If you have not been going live, it is an habit you need to take very serious. Are you aware that going live just for 1 hour in a day for 30 days can actually give you your 4,000 watch hour. Yes. Now, it is not just about even the watch hours you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting subscribers, and you're going to be getting viewers who loves what you do and then support you genuinely. In short, they will not just watch your long form video. They will always join your live and then keep you company. So always go live. Now, remember, you are the one, because see, one of the things you need to know is that completing your 1,000 subscriber count is more easier than completing this 4,000 watch hours. So going live will actually help you. Now, when you go live and then you post long form video again, it means for that day you have posted 2 videos. So meaning you are getting watch time hour from long form video, and you're getting watch time hour from your live, and this will enable you to complete your 4,000 watch hour in a very. I've seen people monetize their account in 30 days, which you too you can do the same. Our number 4 is making sure you post videos daily. Yes. Now see, you cannot post today and then you post next week and then you post next month. That is not going to work, because remember, you are looking for watch time hour. See, somebody that is looking for something cannot be resting. So I would advise you post for 30 days straight. Post, and not just posting. When I say post, I didn't mean you just go and carry anyhow video and then you just YouTube is a platform that they value quality videos over quantity video. So you have to make sure that your video in form of that long form is of educational video or of high value. So now what I do is that I use like 1 hour in filming my video, and I use like 3 to 4 hours in editing that same video. So meaning I always use like 5 hours to 6 hours in creating one YouTube video. So YouTube video is not like other platforms whereby you just do it. So now you are looking for more subscriber, more engaging, or more audience that will engage. So if you want them to engage, you have to also create high quality content in 30 days. And our number 5, always learn to go out there and comment on other people's posts. As a YouTuber, if you want to grow very fast and you want to have your watch time hour, go out there and advertise yourself. When you go out there to advertise yourself, meaning go out there and comment on other people's posts. When you go out there to comment on other people's posts, automatically those people will see your comments and then they will come to your own channel. Now, what are you doing? When they come to your channel, those people will watch your video, and automatically you are dragging traffic from another person's video to your own video. Many of you post videos and then you go and relax or you go and rest. No. When you post one video, after you have posted it, go to other people's video, watch their own video, drop meaningful comments, comment that will make people to want to say, who is this? And then they will click on your own video. And when they click on your own video, some people can even come to your own channel. They will subscribe because they will also like what you are doing. And when they like what you are doing, they might end up watching 1 to 2 or even 3 videos. And you know what that means to you. So if you have not been commenting in other people's video, as our number 5, please start doing it now. In short, there was somebody's video I commented. That person's video gave me almost 200 subscribers. In short, people were coming from that video and then watching my own video. So begin to learn that habit of supporting others. Supporting others is indirectly you supporting yourself. Now, these are the 5 ways you can actually use in completing your 4,000 watch hours. Now, let's go to our phase 2, which is the 5 ways of completing your 1,000 subscribers count. And our number 1 is through collab features. Now, are you aware that within 24 hours, 48 hours, or even 72 hours, you can complete your 1,000 subscribers using the collab features? If you have not watched that video, you don't know how to use that features, watch this video. I actually explain everything in details in this video. Now, our number 2, which can enable you to actually complete your 1,000 subscriber counts, is going live as well. Now, going live, in short, everybody that joins your live is likely to subscribe. So meaning, let's assume you go live and then over 100 people visit your live. You can have 50 people subscribe, meaning 50% of that 100% have actually subscribed to your YouTube channel. So always go live. Going live will enable you to have more subscriber counts. Our number 3, post more of short. Yes. Now, short, people are spending more time on short. So meaning people get to discover you more on short FYP. So the more you post shorts, the more you have more viral reels and or viral shorts, and then the more you have more subscribers to yourself. Now, but if you're going to be posting short, make sure you're posting short around your niche. For example, let's assume you're doing YouTube, you're into coaching or YouTube coaching content, and you are posting lifestyle. It means lifestyle short. It means you're going to be having people who like your lifestyle shorts, but who are not in love with your YouTube tips teaching. So always, if you're a coach on YouTube, also divide your videos into sections and then post them as shorts. So meaning, as you are getting subscribers from shorts, you are dragging them to your what? To your long form video. And our number 4 is collaboration. Now, collab is different from collaboration. Now, you can also use the collaboration features here on YouTube, which is our number 4. Now, a collaboration is a process whereby a small YouTubers get to collab or collaborate with a bigger creator. For example, I can look for somebody who, like, I'm below 3,000 subscribers. I can look for somebody who is over 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, and I will talk to that person. I will say, please, can I collab with you? Meaning, let my videos let my video be displayed on your channel, or let your subscribers also get to see my video and the rest. So doing this will also make me more visible. So, and getting more visible also give me more subscribers. And our number 5, you are to also post daily. Yes. See, you are looking for something, remember, YouTube is a business platform. You have to also treat it as such, meaning treat your content creating journey as a business. Do not joke with it. So post every day. The more you are showing up, the more, so like, for example, let's assume I see your video today and I feel like, okay, it's fine, and I didn't get to see you again. Then am I going to subscribe? But if after seeing you today, I still get to see you tomorrow, next tomorrow, and I get to like what you are doing, be rest assured I'm going to subscribe. Okay, so meaning showing up every day is another way to win, or another way to complete your 1,000 subscribers count, as our number 5. So now you can see you now have 5 ways of completing your 4,000 watch hours, and 5 ways of completing your 1,000 subscribers count. These are the perfect ways. This is not shortcut. This is the perfect way every reasonable YouTubers can actually take in completing their 4,000 watch hours and their 1,000 subscribers count. Okay, in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel and you are still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. It actually creates YouTube content on YouTube tips, video editing tips, Facebook tips, which means my channel have got you covered. All right, so see you in my next video. And before I will see you in my next video, in case you have any questions, or you want me to do any video, or you have any topics bothering you and you want me to do video on that, of course, let me know in the comment section and I will do that. And don't forget, go to the comment section and support others. All right, see you in my next video. Thank you.